reaction to what's happening to the war veterans?
No, let me wait until I speak to the lawyers first.
Not specifically to this case, but to general treatment.
It's said that these heroic fighters, the best army Africa has ever produced in modern times, 4 decades down the line, they are just being persecuted by those who were war deserters, those who were war cowards. Some of them I was at school with them. They didn't go to war, but they are now very powerful, and they are part of the harassment of the war veterans. And some young people who say their mothers and fathers fought for them. If we fought with his mother and father when he was in the womb, that's, it's very sad that these people see it upon themselves, and to abuse also the most powerful office in the land. A whole rally of pseudo-war veterans is called up to be addressed, and then the courts find the $300 bill. And you can see the juxtaposition of the overreaction and the proper assessment of the legal system of Zimbabwe. So it's politicization of, they are trying to politicize the criminal law system of the country. In any event, this thing should have been handled within the ambit of the relationship between the war veterans and the defense forces of Zimbabwe, because they are reserve force. There was absolutely no reason to try to bring this matter here. They are soldiers of repute. They are disciplined people. If there had been any infraction, it would have been handled in the rightful channels, not all this rigmarole which we are being subjected to. It's an attempt at intimidation, but we war veterans. If Smith couldn't intimidate us, nobody else will intimidate us.